Whenever you're building anything out of plywood, you have to be concerned with how you're going to hide the edge because you don't want to see these plies. My favorite technique is to use veneer to cover up the plywood. And I use a heat-sensitive veneer that has a glue on the back. And you just iron it on. So you take a strip and you cut it a little longer than necessary. And then you just use a clothes iron. You make sure it's set on cotton and no steam. That's important that there's no steam. Okay, now we're just going to repeat it on this other edge. So once that's down, you've got this edge you need to take off. Now you could sand it off, but I prefer using a file because there's less likely a chance of damaging the veneer on the panel itself. So this is a single cut mill bastard file, and you can see how easily and cleanly it cuts the veneer away. And you just hold that at a really sharp angle and just move along. Okay, so you're going to do that. Look, it takes it right off. You can do that on both edges. Then come back, and to finish it up, a little 120 grit sandpaper.